Is the first TCD, how to do TCD. So this is a probe which is 3S probe, and any ultrasound machine can have a protocol of TCD. You can ask for your company that to provide the TCD probe and protocol with it. So first of all, when we start, there are a lot of windows starting from temporal to mandibular to orbital to occipital. Lots of windows are there. The point is everybody's circle of Willis can be seen, number one, and if the bone is not ossified. If it is ossified, then you can go for a orbital or mandibular approach to see the carotid siphon. Now the point is how to start TCD. So basically it is a temporal approach. This approach is used because in our body the thinnest bone is, in the head the thinnest bone is probably the bone over the just near to the ear. So basically some of the structures to be identified is the circle of Willis. So what you are seeing is this is the side of the brain from the where I am starting the probe. So this is one part of this. The other part of this is the skull bone, which is seen opposite to this. So this side skull bone is this. This side skull bone is this. So from here the bone is not visible. So what I am seeing is here is a bat wing like structure of the brainstem. This is one of those each side of the brainstem. So this all around this there is the circle of Willis. All right. So the ultrasound TCD is much easier. So how do you do it? So this is one of those peanuts or bat wing signs or bat sign, or somebody would say some of the other signs. So basically this is the brainstem, and this is one of those peanuts you can see. So inside the brainstem in the middle this is the midline. So basically some of the people, some of those experts, they can tell you from TCD that how much midline shift in a post-head injury patients has occurred. So this is the brainstem, and I'll put color over it. So what I'm seeing is some of those pulsating color structures around the brainstem. So this is all around it is the circle of Willis. So I'm interested in seeing his left side of circulation. So this might be one of those two vertebral artery became basilar, then posterior cerebral artery, and posterior cerebral artery goes there and it becomes the anterior cerebral artery. And here what we are interested is the middle cerebral artery. So what the snake-like structures you are seeing is here is, you see, it's becoming like a snake here. All right, it is one of the snake. It's going like this. So this is the middle cerebral artery, and this is the target of TCD. Okay. Now what I will do is, in the middle cerebral artery, I will put my pulse wave and see what is the circulation. So now I will check my pulse wave and I'll direct it towards one of those areas. So once the wave is obtained, I'll freeze it. My TCD examination is finished. So based on this pulse wave, everything will be derived. I'll let you know that how to see. So we are X MCA territory. It's in the proximal site. All right. So this is our velocity of systole is 71, and the velocity of diastole is 32. So based on this 71, 32, lots of calculation, lots of information we will discuss later on. All right. So basically we took the middle cerebral artery velocity. That's it. Thank you.